Everyone, how are you? I just wanted to come on live really quickly and let you know that I've been giving this vitamin chewable for my son. I got this at doTerra oils, and they don't only have essential oils. I do have many other oils, and today I wanted to come on live and let you know that my son's been taking these natural watermelon flavored dietary supplements. In it has the same ingredients that you would find in Nature's Made. Nature's Made is one of the ones that the alternatives that I buy. It's a little gummy bear, and I have to tell you that the doTerra oil is just as beneficial as Nature's Made. So if you want to try a different brand and you want something that's wholesome, sorry about that. I always get like scratching my nose. I don't know. It happens only when I'm like doing something. So if you want to get something that's beneficial, use the doTerra oils A to Z chewables. I guarantee your children will benefit greatly and their immune system will be stronger. And don't forget to, when you shop doTerra, give me credit, Marla Fernandez, at the bottom before you check out, and sign up to allow me to be your consultant. I promise I will not send anything that's any spammy mail, as doTerra does all the marketing for the consultants. But if you need advice or you want to get a hold of somebody, I'm an email away or a click away, and you could just ask me what I like and what I benefit from. The other one that I'm doing, as I age, I'm almost 50 years old. We need more and more vitamins as we age. And so this lifelong vitality pack comes in three vitamins, 3-pack. It's made with vegetable capsules and soft gel, and they hold all the beneficial ingredients that you need to be healthy. So this one is a food nutrient, and you take 2 in the morning and 2 at night. This one is a cellular vitamin complex, and if it's good for the heart and some organs. And this one is an essential oil omega complex. It also holds some of the vitamins that are essential for your cholesterol, keeping them strong and healthy so that you could fight off any virus. I don't guarantee everybody's body is different, and so everybody's body reacts different to different medicines. The other one that I use is Juice Plus. I also use this Tri-Leaves. This is good for seasonal blends. And I use this protective blend. It's On Guard. I used this during the pandemic, and I swear to you, I never got sick. Whenever I went in to check whether I had the flu or was sick, I always came out negative. And so there's something to be said about taking 2 of this every day to help to help keep your immune system strong. I use when I was growing up, my parents loved Vapor Rub. That was like the go-to remedy for the Cubans down in Miami. And doTerra has an alternative. And this deep blue stick, when you have aches and pains, it works just like Tiger Balm and Vapor Rub. You just rub it where you hurt, and like nothing, it actually takes care of the pain. This one is very good. I have allergies, and sometimes it affects my what do you call it, my asthma. And so this Breathe is an essential stick to soothe and cool your uh, asthma and breathing problems. So I just rub it in my chest, and it's like it works instantly. The other thing I use is I use my what do you call it? The smellers, um, the diffusers, and I put the oils in there. So I put the Breathe or the Echinacea to help open up my sinuses. So it's really, really good. And I've been trying the toothpaste. The toothpaste leave my teeth white. I haven't had a problem. And also I smell good better. So seriously, no joke, I feel healthier with using the doTerra toothpaste than any other product. If you are interested, please click it down in the description and go follow the link to doTerra and just read about it yourself and give it a try. And give me credit for coming on live and doing a free review, piquing your interest, I hope. Anyways, have a good Saturday. Bye.